guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is a box from a company called Grace and Stella. Now I have reviewed a couple of their products before. I think I included them in a new and interesting things video. They sell their stuff on Amazon, and now they have this the best of gift box which they are offering. So it's not a subscription box, it's a gift box that you can buy, which includes all of their favorite products. And I will leave links in the description box. Also, I can't remember how much this costs. Sorry, I'll put all that information in the description box though, I promise. So anyway, let's just open it and see what their little best of box is all about, shall we? Hello, gorgeous. Ooh, it smells good in here. We have a little card. Dead Sea Mud Mask. Well, that's fun. This is not one of the things that I have tried, but I am excited to try it. That's nice. Believed to be loved and used by Cleopatra herself, this mineral-rich Dead Sea Mud Mask is often used for common skin ailments such as blemishes, blackheads, wrinkles, cellulite, textured or congested skin. This Dead Sea Mud Mask will help draw out impurities, toxins, and dirt to reveal a more smooth, hydrated, and supple complexion. Well, that sounds lovely. Nice and big too. Okay, next thing in here is Lavender body lotion. I believe this is it. Wow. I actually have the like trial size or like pocket size. What the heck do you call it? It's like a small thing, you know, it's like a hand cream of the lavender hand cream. Okay, wait, I'm gonna like actually open some of this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Ah, okay. All right, so it's in a big, you know, pump top thing like this. Nice, and I really did like the hand cream that I got, so this is pretty nice. Let me give it a whiff. Yep, smells like lavender. And then bath bombs. There are 2 bath bombs in here. Let's see, are these different? Yeah, moisturizing coconut and keep calm lavender. Ooh, these are fun. That's exciting. Okay. This is a lovely like spa treatment kind of a box. I love it. Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Masks with nanoactive gold and hyaluronic acid. Brightens, depuffs, and hydrates. 12 pairs. Whoa, that's a bunch. Usually you get like a 3-pair pack or something. 12 pairs though, that's nice. Excellent, excellent. And then the last thing in here, charcoal whitening powder. Be gone, yellow teeth. This all-natural charcoal whitening powder is made with refined and non-abrasive coconut charcoal powder to help lift away stains with continued use. No need for complicated whitening gels, pens, trays, strips, or kits. Just get ready to show off those pearly whites. Time to say cheese. I've only ever tried one other brand, My Magic Mud, I think it's called. So I'm curious to see how the two compare, because I've had a lot of people ask me about charcoal whitening scrub powder, whatever this stuff is called. And, you know, since I've only tried one, you know, it's hard to say how they compare brand-wise, but as far as I can tell, they're all probably pretty much the same thing. And they're messy AF, you guys. I had to repaint my bathroom walls because I got charcoal toothpaste all over them, and the walls in my bathroom are flat paint, so you can't just wipe it off. I had to repaint them. So anyway, while using this, close your mouth and keep it closed and be careful, okay? Because I have an electric toothbrush and it was just like psh, everywhere, all over everything. So anyway, but I do love my charcoal powder. I've been using it a lot recently because I noticed my teeth were looking a little dingy and I hadn't really been using the powder because I'd been using my toothpaste. So I'm excited to try this one out and see how it is. Anyway, this box is awesome. This is an amazing gift box, or if you know, you just want to get it for yourself or something. This makes just like the best spa day kind of a box, right? Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box where you guys can get this. This is an awesome box. I'm really excited to use all of this stuff. I have used products from this company before and really liked them, so this is fun. Okay, well, check out the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Grace and Stella, for sending me this beautiful box. I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.